Welcome to SysInfo Backup Exec BKF Repair Demonstration video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can repair corrupted backup files of Veritas Backup Exec, Symantec Backup Exec and NT Backup program using SysInfo Backup Exec BKF Repair tool. Here are the steps to download and use the software. Open this URL in the web address bar and scroll down to download the free Backup Exec BKF Repair software. Once the download is completed, install and run the software. As soon as you launch the software after installation, software interface will appear. Now click on Open to select the BKF file. Here in the Recovery Selection dialog box, select Recovery Mode as per the level of corruption. Now select the scanning range, either Set Complete Range or Partial Range, and click OK to begin the scanning process. Once scanning process gets completed, you will see a tree structured format in the left pane of the software interface to preview the recovered data. Finally, save the recovered BKF file by clicking on Save button. And choose the destination folder to store BKF file. And click Save Files. Now you can close the application and check your recovered data where you have stored it. Hope you liked the video was helpful for you. For any query, leave a comment in comment box below. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. For more updates, do subscribe our channel.